Today I have a Nissan Armada and I'm going to show you where to add windshield washer fluid in this particular vehicle. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, as you can see, I have the Nissan Armada right here. Nice looking vehicle right here. I enjoy riding it, very nice. But I need to add windshield washer fluid to it. So what I'm going to do is, I have the hood open right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in and then I'm going to look towards the back or the front, the back. I'm going to be looking for this right here. Do you see this right here? That is a little indicator for adding windshield washer fluid. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to go ahead and pop that open right there. And then I pour windshield washer fluid in there to top it off. And then I'm going to close it just like that. And you add windshield washer fluid that way, all right? In that component right there. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you're able to get windshield washer fluid inside your vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching.